Okay, so we have my pending groups here, and it's like when you're selling ice and you are selling it to a person who's making ice, then probably your product's not gonna be sold, right? No way will a person who makes ice buy ice from another person. So, in other words, marketing executive will most likely not buy our service, and our service is on marketing, online digital marketing. But most likely they won't buy what we sell because they're doing it themselves. So, in other words, I think this one should be withdrawn. I will be withdrawing the request. Inbound marketers for marketing professionals. I will have to withdraw this request as well. Okay, and Content Marketing Institute. Withdraw this request. Search Engine Marketing Professional Group. Withdraw this request. Okay, so we are left with 4 other groups. I left Community for Entrepreneurs, Australian Business Owners and Entrepreneurs, Brand Activation, B2B Event Marketing Tribe. I think I would have to withdraw this request. Okay, the reason behind that is because those people most likely on the groups that I have removed or withdrawn requests are people who are doing marketing themselves, so no way are they going to purchase what we offer because we're in the same boat, like we're both sharks. So there's probably 1% possibility that they might go to us. So even if we post our articles there, our videos there, they will look at it, and what will they do? They would just probably copy it, just like what we do, right? When we see a good material, we get it, we try to copy it and spin it. So that's probably what they're gonna do with our articles and videos too. If we post on marketing groups, that's what they're gonna do. They're just gonna be spinning it. So it's gonna be a total waste of time. We're not gonna get customers there. We wanna try to be part of a group that or a place where we can get customers. Like when we put an article there or we put a video there, they would be thinking, this is a good video. This is a good marketing strategy. I think I like this person. I'm gonna follow him. And then eventually that individual would follow you and probably comment on your post, and probably would like your post eventually, and then you would have to build a conversation with this person, probably a business owner, and that's where we get the customers. Okay, so we try to add groups, put articles and files on groups where customers are. If we put our articles and videos where our competition are, they might just probably go ahead and copy what we place there and make it more better, and then post it on the groups that we should be posting. And then, of course, they get the customer. So that's what we want to do. And, of course, every time you would have to add a group, you would have to populate this area. LinkedIn groups. If it's LinkedIn, it's LinkedIn groups. If it's FB, it's FB groups. Okay, and as mentioned, like my groups, you have a number of different groups here. Some of them we don't have to necessarily post in, because it's not if it's a marketing, it's a competition, don't have to post it there. So there's a lot here too that we should not be posting to. So we only have to put, like for example here, CIO Masters. So you have to copy that, put it here. Go back. Get the number of people, 4,810. 810. And then get the URL link. Paste it here. And of course, Matt Go. So that's how it is. And then go back. Sales and marketing, collaboration community, no. Sports marketing, no. Let's check those out first. Sydney Professional Network. Now this looks good. So get the name. Ooh. Get the URL. Okay. Computer's taking quite some time to think. Okay, and then it breaks down. Okay, there. I'm gonna paste it there. I'm gonna get this. 7096, and then go back there, and hopefully it opens. Okay. Yeah. And we have 7096. Matco. And then go back. And then with this one, Small Enterprise Association in New Zealand. I think that this one's good too. So I'm going to click on that. Copy it. Put it here. Drag it. Get the URL. 423. Go back. Back. Okay. And then small business. 3288. So that's how it is. And then back. And then go up to, whichever. So once you're finished with inputting all of the groups, the reason why we're doing this is, of course, eventually we are going to send messages to these groups, right? So, marketing, communication, sports management, all of these other stuff for marketers. I don't think we should be putting our content there. So I suppose that we have to remove these. Sorry. So delete. That's not what we want to see there. Brand activation, cutting through the clutter. Ooh. What are they about? Well, let's take a look. A group of brand activation professionals specializing in connecting brands and customers via sponsorship, retail, online, and experiential marketing and promotional strategies. An open forum to discuss ideas and strategies that cut through the clutter and influence buyer behavior. So most likely a marketing group. No. It's pending. I suppose we need to withdraw. So I also withdrew that. Sorry. Delete. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this one, we're already part of it. Maybe we can fish for something, but we're not going to post anything on digital marketing. So I'm not going to withdraw that anymore. It's already there. But we can certainly take a look at it and see what they're doing, but we don't necessarily have to post anything there. So we will only put here in our Excel sheet the groups where we can post our content. Yeah, so that's it.